This is huge. I've been investing for over a decade, but this is the most exciting game changer I've ever seen. Custom indexing, thanks to Questrade. To me, it's a dream come true, and it's finally here. Basically, you can create your own index, fully customized. You don't need to stick to a handful of preset portfolios. You can make it your own and buy all of the companies you want and take out the ones you don't with a click of a button, and it's all free. No management fees, no annual fees, nothing. It's free. Hey guys, it's Adrian here, the Canadian in a t-shirt. And you already know how much I love Questrade, but now with their custom indexing, I'm blown away. I'll break down how custom indexing works, I'll show it in action, and I've created my own custom index template, the tailored t-shirt. It's an index template I created. It's 81 of the largest US and Canadian companies that I want to invest in. I took out all the weapons manufacturers and I trimmed down the overpriced tech. You can use my t-shirt index template as a starting point for your own portfolio, and you'll be entered into a contest with a grand prize of $70,000 for your TFSA plus a luxury retreat. I'll save that for the end. There's a lot to break down, but first I want to give Questrade a huge thank you for sponsoring this video and for inviting me to be one of the first custom indexers in Canada. I worked with Questrade over the past several weeks to create my own custom tailored t-shirt index template, but now it's open and available to everyone. Let's break down custom indexing and how it works. Up until now, you can only buy individual stocks or you can invest in ETFs, which are a pre-built collection of stocks all bundled together. I love ETFs. They give you built-in diversification at a fraction of the cost of mutual funds. ETFs make up half of my portfolio, but there's two problems. One, you don't have any customization. You have to stick to the presets. You can't pick and choose which companies are in that fund, and you can't decide how much to invest in each of them. Let's look at the S&P 500, the most popular index in the world. With one single ETF, you buy a piece of 500 of the largest companies in the United States. You buy a little piece of Nvidia, Apple, Google, Microsoft, and keep going all the way down to number 500. But you're stuck with that preset list. There are companies in there I don't want to invest in. Personally, I don't want to own weapons manufacturers or military contractors. They may be good investments on paper, but I don't want to profit off of war. With an S&P 500 ETF, I have no choice. I'm stuck with them. Plus, I can't choose the weights invested in each company. There are 500 stocks in the S&P 500, but it's heavily concentrated in a handful of giant tech companies. Nvidia is the largest one, and that stock alone makes up almost 8% of the entire fund. I love Nvidia, but 8% is too much for me. Compared to a company that I absolutely love, like Costco. Great stock, great business, but Costco only makes up less than 0.8% of the fund. That's 10 times less than Nvidia. Even if I want to invest more in Costco and less in Nvidia, I can't do it with an ETF. I didn't have this kind of customization until now, and it's all thanks to Questrade, making custom indexing available. Problem number two, these ETFs don't do this work for free. Every single ETF will charge a management fee, also called an MER, and this is a percent-based fee. So as your portfolio grows, your fees grow as well, and that's how they make money. And this isn't a one-time thing. No, these are annual fees that you pay every single year. Don't get me wrong, the annual fees on ETFs are far cheaper than mutual funds. That's why I love them. But those fees are still there and they still cost you, especially as your portfolio grows over years. Well now, thanks to Questrade, both these problems are solved with custom indexing. Instead of sticking to those preset bundles and paying that annual fee every year, you can create your own index. Customize it exactly how you want it, and you avoid those management fees. You're the one making the index, you're the one picking the stocks, you're doing the work, so you don't have to pay any fees. And you don't have to start from scratch. You can start from a broad market template or even my t-shirt index. That's your starting point, and then you have full customization. You can add stocks, remove stocks, or change the weight around. It's your portfolio, you're in control. I'll show it in action, but here are some important things to know. This custom index is only possible because of fractional shares. A stock like Microsoft costs approximately $400 a share. So unless you have $400, you couldn't invest in them. Now with fractional shares, even with $10, you can buy 2.5% of a share of Microsoft. It makes investing so much more accessible, especially if you're starting out with a small amount of money. But an important point, as of now, fractional shares are only available for US stocks with Questrade. Canadian fractional shares are coming soon, but not here yet. So as of now, these custom indices only work for US stocks traded in US dollars. That doesn't mean you're restricted to US companies. Plenty of Canadian companies trade on the New York Stock Exchange, such as Shopify, Enbridge, TD Bank. So don't worry, those Canadian stocks are eligible for custom indexing. In fact, you'll see a bunch of them in my tailored t-shirt index in just a minute, but everything will be in US dollars, at least for now. Now let's see how custom indices actually work on Questrade. Feel free to follow along, and if you want to sign up, use my referral link below to get a $50 sign-up bonus. Here you'll find a library of available indices. These are templates that you can start from. Many of them are preset templates to mirror existing market indices, the ones you would expect, and a few of them come from fellow content creators. You'll see my tailored t-shirt index, plus some of my friends, Joy Yang, The Humble Trader, Zach Hartley, and more. You'll see the performance of each index and click on them to see the full details. I'll go in depth into my custom index in just a minute, but here you'll see the objective and summary, the breakdown of sectors, a little blurb about me, and the most important thing, the top holdings. What companies actually make up this index and with what percentage. Once you select the template to start from, now it's time to customize it. You can add or subtract stocks and adjust the weights. And whenever you make a change, like removing a stock, the other weights will rebalance so that you always have a total of 100%. After we set our index, we lock in our stocks and the weightings. How do we actually buy into it? Well, you just have to open a custom indexing account. This will be separate from your self-directed account. That's where you buy and sell individual stocks and ETFs. In this separate custom index account, all you have to do is add money to it, and then when you hit buy, that money is automatically distributed across the index. And this works for most account types. You can do this in your TFSA, RRSP, FHSA, and cash account. It's not available in margin, joint, or corporate accounts. And with Questrade, you can have as many accounts as you like. You can have a self-directed TFSA where you buy individual stocks, and on top of that, you can have many custom indexing accounts for different strategies, all within your TFSA umbrella. Just use the drop-down list at the top right to cycle through your multiple accounts. Clean and simple. All you have to do is add money to your custom index account, and with the click of a button, Questrade will automatically buy those stocks according to your index. And again, it's totally free. No commission fees, no trading fees, and no annual management fees. And you're not locked in. You can always edit your index, add or remove stocks, or shift the weights whenever you want. And they make it super easy. The weights will always adjust accordingly. That leads us to a really cool feature, one-click rebalancing. As the market changes, some of your stocks will go up, some will go down. If that happens, your holdings can drift from their initial weight. For example, in my index, I only had 5% weight in Nvidia stock. When I put my money in initially, Nvidia made up exactly 5% of the total. But if the stock is booming and Nvidia grows by 20%, good news for me, I'm earning a profit, but my Nvidia shares now make up more than the 5% I wanted. If I want to return to the original 5% weight, I have to sell some shares. That's called rebalancing. I could do this manually, but Questrade makes it way easier. Whenever my portfolio drifts by 10% or more away from the original weightings, I'll get a notification. Then I can rebalance the whole portfolio with just one click. Questrade handles all the trades behind the scenes. Most ETFs will rebalance for you. That's one of the reasons they charge you that annual management fee. But with Questrade and custom indexing, it's all free. This is important. Remember, I said that for now, custom indexing is only available in US dollars. You guys know that one of my favorite things about Questrade is that they allow you to use NORBERT'S Gambit to convert your Canadian dollars into US dollars without paying those expensive conversion fees. This will still work with custom indexing. Here's how. Let's say you have a custom index account in your RRSP. You'll need to open a self-directed RSP account as well. That's where you can perform NORBERT'S Gambit normally, and then you simply transfer that US cash from your self-directed RSP into your custom index RRSP. This will save you a ton of money. I'm telling you, Norbert's Gambit with Questrade has literally saved me over $7,000 over the years. Watch my step-by-step tutorial right here to learn how. Now I want to break down my custom tailored t-shirt index. You guys know me, I have a very diversified portfolio. I love Canadian stocks, US stocks, and international. And I'm a tax nerd. I love to optimize my tax efficiency. For example, I'll prioritize Canadian dividends in my TFSA and US dividends in my RRSP. With this initial launch of custom indexing, they only support stocks traded in USD, so mainly US stocks, but some big Canadian ones too. I definitely included those in my custom index. Down the line, once we get Canadian fractional shares, I intend to publish many more custom t-shirt indices. I'll do a TFSA focused t-shirt index, one for the RSP, FHSA, etc. But we're not there yet. For now, I can only create one index, and it's all in USD. So I tried to make this a hybrid portfolio that covers most of the sectors of the market. It's mainly US focused. It contains 60 of the largest US companies in the S&P 500, but I also added 20 of the big Canadian players that trade on the New York Stock Exchange. It's called the Tailored T-Shirt Index. It contains 81 stocks in total. Here's my methodology. I basically started with the 500 largest companies in the US, but I trimmed it down to the 60 largest holdings. The top 500 is really dominated by the big players. Once you get past the top 100, the smaller stocks only make up about 0.16% of the fund. Barely anything. So I cut them out. Next, I want this fund to be consistent with my values and principles. I love the S&P 500, but I don't like the weapons manufacturers. Sure, when there's a war, they make lots of money, but I don't want any part of it. I can make a profit in other ways that don't hurt people. No judgment, but for me, this is a personal choice, and that's what I love. Now I can personalize my portfolio. So I completely removed the military contractors and other companies I have objections with. Next change, I trimmed the weight of the giant overvalued tech companies. Don't get me wrong, they're great companies and I've made a lot of profits with them, but the S&P 500 is far too concentrated in the top 10 tech companies. Nvidia, Google, Apple, each of them make up over 6% each. That's too much for me. Across the board, I reduced the weights of all tech companies so that no holding is above 5%. I have Nvidia at 5%, Apple and Microsoft at 4.5%, Amazon 4%, and the two Google shares at 4.6%. Everything else is 2% or below. So if I cut out all the military stocks and I trim down on tech, how did I fill in those gaps? Well, mainly through Canadian stocks and defensive dividend aristocrats. Starting with the US, I bumped up the weight of lower risk defensive blue chips like Costco, Walmart, Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, Pepsi, McDonald's, Amex. These are popular companies, always in demand, so they should smooth out the ride, even when we see huge volatility in the market. All of these companies here, highlighted in orange, are Canadian companies. I included 20 Canadian stocks that are traded in US dollars, and I definitely inflated their weight relative to their market cap. For example, the largest Canadian company is Royal Bank, with a market cap of $260 billion USD. I gave it a similar weight of 1.5% to a company like Visa, which has a market cap of $600 billion. Visa is over double the size of Royal Bank, but for my index, I gave the Canadian stocks a boost. You'll recognize most of these Canadian companies. We have the big 5 banks, Shopify, Enbridge, Brookfield, the railways, and a few energy and mining companies. Overall, I tried to even out the distribution. Of course, Nvidia is a $5 trillion company, so it gets the top spot of 5%. But even the smallest company in my index, I still gave it a respectable weight of 0.7%. So even the smaller players get a chance to contribute. All 81 of these companies I am personally invested in, either with individual stocks or various ETFs, and I feel morally comfortable investing in them. Plus, I feel it's pretty well diversified without being overly concentrated in tech, and I'm happy to give our Canadian companies a chance to shine. So that's my tailored t-shirt index. Again, I don't want you to blindly copy me, but feel free to use this as a template, as a starting point, and then make it your own. And make sure you use my referral link down below to get started with Questrade. And you'll get a $50 cash bonus when you sign up. But don't wait. Open a custom indexing account at Questrade and link your index to it to be entered into the contest. The grand prize winner will get their TFSA maxed out for a decade. You'll get $7,000 into your TFSA every year for 10 years. That's $70,000 to invest tax-free. On top of that, you can win a fully customizable luxury vacation to Nemo Bay Wilderness Resort in British Columbia. I've seen the pictures, it's absolutely stunning. So make sure you open a custom index account before July 15th, and every $500 you deposit will earn you more contest entries. Better chances to win. Thanks again to Questrade for sponsoring this video and for giving us Canadians the freedom to invest the way we want. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of The Canadian in a T-Shirt. Bye guys.